Magandang balita,
DRPS2.
enrollment is still ongoing at Eastern Mindoro College, Inc., Bungabong with its complete elementary from Kinder 1 to grade 6, complete junior high school from grade 7 to grade 10, complete senior high school from grade 11 to grade 12, basic education classes from Kinder to senior high school opens June 8, 2026. You may also enroll Bachelor of Science in Criminal Justice, Bachelor of Science in Information Systems,
DRPS2.
Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education, Bachelor of Secondary Education with the following majors: Mathematics, Science, English, Filipino, and Social Studies, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration with the following majors: Marketing Management and Financial Management. Avail of 100% tuition fee discount for incoming freshmen in Bachelor of Science in Criminal Justice or Criminology and Bachelor of Science in Information
DRPS2.
Systems or BSIS. 20% discount in tuition fee in Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education, Bachelor of Secondary Education, and Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. Magsisimula ang klase sa June 22, 2026. Para sa inyong mga katanungan, please see our registrar or call Marivi Cordero sa number na ito, 0975-914-4743.